Today I'm going to be unboxing the tag team with Wailord and Magikarp. The Towering Splash GX box. I did not know it said GX. But yeah, we got these three cards right here. And I'm going to be unboxing them. Here's a code if you need it, but there you go. I'm not going to rip it. Pause if you need it, but I'm going to be opening one of these 4 packs. And for my favorite is Rayquaza. I don't know how to pronounce it right. I'm going to open them first. Then it looks like that's a shiny Garbodor. Then we got, I don't know who that is. Please let me know. And then Celebi. So we got Sun and Moon, Lost Thunder, and then Steam Sage, and then Crystal Storm. So, how am I going to do this? That? Nope, that can help. Alright, I'm going to put you guys up here. And right now, I will be opening this, whatever how you say it, but I'm going to be opening this one right now. So let's do this. There we go. It's open. I'm not going to look at the card. Here's another one that we guys have, and it's a green, I guess. So this is a next card. If you want this, you can. Pause it if you need to. So first off, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Drop that one down. And let's see what we have. We'll have Disc, Electro, Seedot, Wingull, Spoink. Let me know if I'm saying any of these Pokemon's name wrong, please. Bottom, Wailord, funny, Vigoroth, Fisherman, and then Pupitar. Now, that card that we took out of those 4, hold on, let me just grab them, is a Fire Energy. Really? Next pack. Shiny Garbodor. Oh, there we go. So here's another code. You guys need it. Here you go. TZ9Y74NNJ4T76P. If you guys need it, pause the video. Guys, there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop it. Let's do this. So we got Seedot, Clink, a Marpeep, Bergmite, let's see, Fungus, Tangela, Drifloon, Ninja Boy, and a Zweilous. And for this, we got a Bastiodon. Ooh, now that was good. That was a good card right there from that Fire Energy next pack. Next one is Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. Here's the code. One, 2, 3, 4. Can barely feel it, but let's go from the back this time. So we got. I did not know he was a fairy. The Dene. That's new. I thought it was only electric. A trainer. Don't know how to say that name. Silicone, which looks like trying to make it a real life. Wigglypuff. Young Mask. I'll be back after this. Wurmple. Chansey. Skiddo. Young Mask again. And a Leto. I like that one. Our best card is Dark Energy. I'll be opening the last one in a different video, because I will be right back. Bye.